In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a sanding belt on a belt sander. And spoiler alert, it's going to be really easy, but you might not know where to start. Maybe you got a sander handed down to you and you've been using it, but that's all you know. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Like I said, real easy. And before you do this, it's a good idea to get a belt, and these are not all the same. So this is a 3-inch by 18-inch, and you could try and measure this, but the circumference is the 18 inches, so it's going to be hard to measure. Obviously, you can measure this to here. That's 3 inches, but your sander somewhere should say the size. Like right here is 3 by 18. And then on this one, it says it right there, 3 by 18. And then there's millimeters right next to it. And then this old gal right here is in just millimeters. So it says belt size 76 by 610 millimeter. But if you don't know what that is in inches, you can throw that into Google and convert that into inches. This is a 3 by 24, but they're all the same. So we'll do it on this one here. On the side, you're gonna have this lever right here, and you just pull up, and that is gonna bring this together and make this belt loose so that you can pull it right off. And then you can take your new belt. This might be a little trickier. You'll have to kind of make this end a little bigger to go around the rollers. Same over here. And close this. But you're not done, not yet. So this might be fine, but as you use this, you may notice that this belt is kind of moving around, and this knob right here is the belt tension adjustment, or the tracking, and basically it just keeps this belt centered. So as you're using it, it may move around. As an example, we'll do this, and then you'll see the belt wants to work itself right off of there. So as you run it, you can adjust this to get it centered. And as you use it, it may react differently with whatever you're sanding, so you may have to adjust this. But at that point, you should be good to go. And all of these are kind of similar. This one right here, this lever goes this way. You can take the belt off. The adjustment's right here. This one, this is the lever right here. That is a lot harder on mine to open up. And then the adjustment is right here. So whatever sander you have, that same process should work. So if you needed to change a belt and you didn't know where to start, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.